So today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a clean out of my car. It is so disgusting. Well, the front seat's not that bad, but anyways, yeah, we're gonna do a clean out, and then I'm gonna go to the car wash and vacuum the floorboards and give my car a wash. So yeah, if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you stay tuned. So before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel because it's free and I would love to have you join the family. So yeah, let's just get started. The front is not that dirty. I have two little grocery bags. One I'm gonna put trash in, and then the other one I'm gonna use for like the stuff that I'm gonna keep.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
Okay guys, so I'm done cleaning my car. Trying to give y'all a little after look. I didn't give y'all it before because I forgot, but the floors are like really dirty and it had like a bunch of like grass and stuff on it. So it's clear now. I wiped the side down. I gotta wipe that side down, but everything is pretty much clean. So we're done. I don't know why it's so blurry, but anyways, everything is pretty much clean. I wiped everything down. My phone is about to die, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Also, what was I gonna say? Also, comment down below what type of car you have, or if you're planning on getting a new car, what type of new car that you're planning on getting. So yeah, I just want to communicate with you all. I like when I ask y'all questions and y'all answer me. I like when y'all ask questions so I can answer y'all. I just like to be in tune with my subscribers, which y'all are like my friends. So I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, that's the end of this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.